Right, so this will be part of part 7, but I am nearly finished. Haven't got much to go now. Chair. I think I spent about 4 hours. All up, not bad. But anyway, so I started getting some spluttering. So you get this machine gun fucking firing. Now normally you like I said earlier, you can pull the needle right back and clean it out, but no, it's the another bit which you probably want to know what happens. So this tiny thing here sits inside there. So what I'm going to do is clean that out. It's freaking tiny. So normally I use the needle I'll clean it out, move it around in there, clean it out, then I'll clean that out. Normally I use the other end of this and on a rag and clean all that out. Then I will push the needle through there and then pull it out of there, put some thinners in there, then keep doing that process to clean the inside out. That should fix that problem. That should fix that with the spluttering. Yeah, it's obviously just full of shit inside it, and it's normally because of that little thing there, but I'll do the whole process. So after that's done, I will finish lacing all the front there, clean that up, or Marvin, clean that out, and then finish a couple of these chicks going here. I don't know what's going in there, probably just lace it, finish that, and then that, and then yeah, I'll do my final detail, which I'm real nervous about doing, but I've got to do it. So final detail will be on the car, and then by then I don't think I'll film that part. I'll see that surprise. But the next video will be showing how to clear coat on airbrushing. Just mixing the clear basically, and how to layer your coats on over airbrushing. So, and what to do and what not to do when you're going to clear coat. Yeah, and then I better finish these bad boys. I'll show you what I'm going to do with white. I'll use the airbrush to spray as far down in the barrels as I can. Then I'll get the big gun out. I just don't know, because I don't want to, as you can see, I don't want to overspray in there, so I'm going to have to use the airbrush to come down here quite far. And then I've got to find my marker to finish these off in the end. Started using a big Posca, way easier than I was trying to use the small one on that. So yeah, so I'll find my other marker, I don't know where it is, finish detailing that, and then I will clear coat these along with the car, so then it can all dry at once, and then I can finally put this down, and then give it a wash, and put my new plate name on the front, put my old one on the back. Yeah, it's going to leave it all like a mullet. Business at the front, party at the back. Leave all that there. But yeah, clean some of this stuff up that I tried to do. But yeah, I'm getting there. Freaking winning finally. So stay tuned for part 8, which will be the final stages of clear coating your airbrushing. Alright, Peace out. Sweet. Okay, what's up? So yeah, most of it is done. So now I'm doing stencil work. So stencil work, it's probably the best thing to do if you're beginning. You can start with skulls and stuff like that. It's pretty easy. But with this, I'm just using it so I can put a white borderline inside. And then because of the theme, I'm using Posca. I normally airbrush all my detail, but with this I need it to look more like how the rest of the car is looking. So yeah, I've turned my PSI anyway right down. I got my white and it's not plugged in, so we do that, eh? So yeah, real low pressure. Now why I'm doing low pressure is because I've laid a stencil down and I actually don't want it to blow so hard it leaves the edge of the stencil. Spray against different direction as the edge of your stencil. Now the good thing about doing this type of work is that you can do realism. You can lay out your faces, get the eyes lined in, your nose, the shape of the face, and then once you've got all that stuff in, you can remove it and start doing the detail all freehand. So basically perfect. Oh, can get off that way, so we're probably going to have a fucking line there now. Hopefully I didn't. Spray against your stencil, or with it I should say. And then should be happy days. This is how I started airbrushing. I just ended up, well, not really, but the second stage when I learned how to airbrush, I just started cutting a whole lot of stencils out, papered just like you see now. So I'll do this D. It's going to be tricky, so I'll stop here. So yeah, that's it. So hopefully I don't get any tape marks. Not sweet. Stoked. So you can go in the bin now. So yeah, now I'll just run around with a Posca marker and I'll outline all this. But yeah, it's only because I'm doing it like this. So I gotta put my sponsor in, How the Wild Pet Food. Yeah, so I'll leave this here. And the next vid will be mixing clear coat and what to do with your airbrushing prep, which is pretty basic. You don't fuck with it pretty much. But sweet. I hope you can see what's happened to it now. That full anime look, along with the wheels. That's what I nearly finished. I'll spray them too. But yeah. Next part of this video will be clear coat time. Peace out, y'all.